everybody! Today we're gonna be making sushi. My mom's gonna help me first. She's putting rice on seaweed. Now she's gonna get the tuna. It's time to add the egg. Now she's gonna roll it. Time to roll it. Roll. This is sand. We got the first roll of sushi. Ta-da! Sushi! Sushi! Now it's my turn. I'm gonna apply the rice. Now we poured the rice. It's time to add this one. I'm gonna get the tuna. Now we're gonna add the veggies.
If you want, and if you don't want it, you can just remove it.
Now we added the egg. Roll. Oh, this is a bit hard. Ta-da! Now it's my sister's turn.
I already washed my hands. Now I got to add the rice. Now I'm going to add the rice, and I'm going to flatten it. Okay, now I'm done, and it's flattened evenly. And next, I have to add the tuna and the spread. Now it's time to add the veggies. And you can add them whenever, like, if you want or if you don't want. And I will, because I have to, and I want to. Next, we're gonna put the egg in, like this. Now it's time to roll. You have to roll it, then tighten it so hard. And then if it's completely rolled, now we have to fold the last one and make sure there's no veggies inside. Tight. And yeah, that's a finished progress. I gotta tighten it again because it was a little open. 1, 2, 3, open. Good. It's cutting time. From here, you have to be really careful when you're younger than 13 or 18. And since I'm super young, I have to be careful. Yeah. And now look at this. It smells so yummy right now.
Now it's my turn.
Sushi's yummy.
Thank you for the sushi, girl.
Nom, 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 nom. Nom.